a new styling video after so damn long. One of the earliest videos on this channel has been episodes of Style It With Me. Now this is a series on this channel in which I take one clothing piece and try to style it in different ways or create different outfits around it. Now I think the last time I did an episode of this series was back in November. What the fuck, it has been way too long. So November I posted the 10th freaking episode. Now for the 11th episode I've chosen this dress that I got from H&M recently, and the main reason of choosing this dress was how minimal it is. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video and let's start with the first outfit.
Sending you things I shouldn't do, cause you're on my mind and I can't.
So the dress is of this oversized fit, and on top of that it is one size bigger for me, so you can see that it is quite loose for me. So I decided to make this outfit more fancy and put together, and for that I just cinched the dress around my waist. I just put on this belt that I got from Shein. It's a wrap around belt and it's a very beautiful piece. So I went with white heels again to dress up my outfit and a white bag to match it, and I completed the look with these pearl earrings. How cute are these? And yes, this is the first look. So this is such a nice, cute, fancy outfit, and इतनी basic सी dress से इतनी अच्छी सी outfit बन गई. Like I really like it. Also I really like the asymmetric vibes of it.
Sending you things I shouldn't do, trying to push you away, so I can't say hey, cause I seem to like some self-control when I'm in these situations with my heart and soul, cause I'm fed up. I can never be enough for you. Oh, I'm fed up of this.
Now for the next outfit, I am taking my blazer from H&M because I want to create like a boss lady outfit, like you are ready to conquer the world. And I'll just wear this blazer on top of the dress obviously, but I'm not removing the belt here because I'm loving this tan, beige, neutral vibes to this outfit. Next I put on some accessories like a watch, these gold studs. I love these studs. I got this from Ever Stylish and I showed them in a haul once. I'll make sure I link the haul in the description. And finally I'll tie my hair in a bun because I want the studs to come through. Also I think a sleek bun like this would really go well with the vibe of the outfit, and this is the final look.
Message on you unless it's been 6 days, then send it through, cause you're my best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind up. I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind up. I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream.
I am obsessed with this outfit, not even kidding. Just look at this. This is totally my aesthetic. Also you can clearly see how much of a big difference hairstyle makes. Now I'm the laziest when it comes to hairstyle. I hate doing different kind of things to my hair because I just think it's very tedious. It looks very good, but then the process is very tedious. But when you actually put efforts into your hair, your entire outfit changes. Also a sleek bun like this I can do easily. Because सिर्फ 2 minutes लगते हैं. It's very easy peasy to do. So yes, that's it. Now let's move on to the third outfit. So I'm wearing the dress as it is without any layering or belt or anything, like as it is in all its glory. And I'm carrying this really cute jute bag. Now I got this bag from Shein, so I don't have any links for it. I got it in 2019 for my Andaman trip. The bag has automatically made this outfit very beach appropriate. I completed it with these sunglasses and my nude flats, and that is it.
Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind up. I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream.
This outfit is a prime example of how adding a few accessories can totally switch up your outfit. I really wish I could go to a beach and wear this outfit, but I don't know when that will happen. Although with this video I am manifesting going to a beach and wearing this outfit. Let's put it out there in the universe. I think I forgot to tell you, but all the links of everything that I'm wearing is right there in the description bar, so make sure you check that out.
Oh, I'm fed up of this.
For this next outfit's hair, I am totally inspired from one of my recent videos. Can you guess which video I'm talking about? Tell me in the comments. If you have a spaghetti dress and you don't feel comfortable wearing it as it is, always layer like a top or a t-shirt inside it. Also, the hoops are from Ever Stylish, H&M. The watch is from Timex. The bag is actually a freebie that I got in one of my Lulu and Sky orders, and I really like this bag. I'm just having so much fun in this outfit. It's so easy breeze, it's so comfortable. Like the t-shirt is loose, the dress is loose, everything is like so comfy. And yes, please recreate an outfit like this, especially if you go to colleges and if you're allowed to wear a dress. Please recreate this outfit and send me your pictures.
'Cause you're my best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream.
Now I have one more idea of an outfit with layering, so let me quickly put that on and I'll be back in a second. And now I've layered a shirt under my dress. So I took this layering thing up a notch and I decided to make this outfit a little fancy. So I paired this white shirt under my dress. Now the accessories that I added to dress up this look is, first of all, the transparent heels, because I don't want the bottom wear to grab all the tension. I want the tension to stay in the top wear part, and then bottom wear is just there to complete the outfit. So I went with these transparent heels. This bag that I got from Pantaloons, I really like this piece. It's like not too expensive, but the bag looks quite expensive and makes every outfit really good. And yes, that's it. This is the final outfit. I think this can be worn in all the weathers. You can like wear it in summers as it is, or a winter time. You can layer a blazer like the beige blazer. You can layer something like that on top of it. I think even that would look really good. Also, this gives like this very schoolgirl vibes. Now I know you use a white shirt or skirt dress type of it, but I think with the bag, the heels, and these really beautiful earrings that I forgot to show you. Like, look at these earrings. Let me show you the earrings properly.
'Cause you're my best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Time for small sex, no regrets. Living in the moment every time that we get undressed. No, any kind of feeling can't come through.
So I was experimenting a little bit with this dress and my experiment came through. That it is, मैंने एक साइड का स्पेगेटी का पूरा जो ये लूप है, I just put it over my head and उसके से halter सा बना दिया. So the side seam actually is right here at the front, and this is what it looks like from the back. It's not looking bad at all. So the backless type का हो गया है, and I am loving this. Now I can wear it as it is, but let me show you what I did. To just add something extra, I paired it with these jeans, and I really like this 80s 90s inspired outfit. Also, I took a belt and cinched it here ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा loose सा ना लगे, since the jeans are also flared. And this is the 6th outfit and I really like this. So to complete the look, I just wore these pearl earrings, my watch, kept it very basic with the accessories. I just want the outfit, the clothing pieces to do all the talking. I know it will not be everyone's cup of tea, but then if there is anyone out there who likes experimenting, who likes trying different styles, I think this is genuinely a really good outfit. I am not even kidding. I really like it. I think it looks really good. Also, is dress में this halter neck, it's looking better than the spaghetti straps. Like, is it just me या किसी और को भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये halter neck में ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है?
All at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Best dream. Words not meant all at the same time. Oh boy, you blow my mind. Oh, I don't know how to feel for you. You make everything so confused. Sending you.
And yes, that's it. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved doing a styling video after so long, and I actually did not plan any outfits this time beforehand, so everything I created on the spot. I tried to play around and have fun while creating all these outfits, and I hope you had fun watching this video. Now, the question of the day is, which was your favorite outfit from this video. I would love to know, and go to the pinned comment to check out my favorite outfit. If you're new to the channel, then please make sure that you subscribe and then click on the bell sign so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Monday and Thursday at 11 AM. And yes, that's it. Now I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Subscribe करना मत भूलना and make sure that you're taking care of your mental health.